What up, YouTube? Boom, boom, boom. Bang. Bop. All right, there we go. Let everything start up real quick. Ooh, I need to change my exposure. My exposure is not good. Not good at all. Let's do this. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls. Welcome to today. That's Saturday. I think it's Saturday. Whoa. Why did my white balance just explode? What is going on right now? I'm just fixing my thingies. My exposure. Oh, that's the wrong way. I guess I'll leave that. That should work fine. Daniel Croissant, congratulations on first. Yeah, my camera settings just like all backwards. All sorts of backwards there. Kind of crazy. Let me turn this music down too. There we go. Bam. All right. We got some exciting news today. Bada bing, bada boom. Ryan, congratulations on second. I'm just still setting things up. Not gonna lie to you guys. I just woke up. Yeah, I went to bed really late last night, and now I am rushing to get everything that I usually get done in the morning done in half the time. Okay, that should be good. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. No redeems for a whole minute. Kavino's starting to fall off. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. I don't know what's going on. For a whole minute. I guess this is it. We peaked, and now here's the final drop. It's our final drop. But know what? I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you and Ryan being here during my fall, the collapse of Cavino. Yes. Sammy, congratulations on third. Oh, Sammy, I need to actually, I'll just ask all three of you. So, all right, big announcement. Big announcement. New Cavino is going to be born with the next game. I just realized I said big announcement and then the ads hit. Go wait. Bongo! First, I'm at work. Get back to work, Bongo. Get back to work. You missed half my shift. Oh no. But wasn't this Bongo's first day of work? And he's already missed half his first shift. That's who, nah, don't know those. Bongo, go back to work. Go work. How are you? He missed the first half of his shift already. That's crazy. Anyways, focus on work. That's the thing, Daniel. That's the thing, Mr. Croissant. For Bongo. Oh, I see. So we got very fortunate. Very fortunate. And I lost my train of thought. Yes, and our playtest build got accepted last night. So, or this morning, one of the two. It got accepted. So that's pretty awesome. Howdy, Bongo. And Bongo overslept. So, with that being said, if anyone wants a key, just tell me, ask me, because I think that's probably what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be yoinking today. I think that's gonna be the plan. We're just gonna do a lot of yoinking. Yep. That's the plan. Lots of yoinking today. Yep. All right. Daniel Croissant wants one. So I think this is the way I'm gonna do it. is... Oh, that didn't work. I think the way I'm gonna do it is I'll just whisper on Twitch. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. And then I have my big giga list here because I may have ordered one too many keys. One too many keys. Okay. Control copy. And then I can write who gets what key. And I think that's cool. So there's your key. Bam. Yeah. Yeah. I was distracted. What's the announcement? Or did you not announce the announcement? Well, Sammy, we our playtest build got accepted, and now we have playtest keys to give out. Yep. 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 Where is my? Which I need to send you the playtest key in case you'd like it. Unless you don't want it, I could not send it to. Boom, bam. Too bad, I already sent it. There we go. Bam. Does that mean I'll have to playtest it? No. No. Unless you want to. Unless you want to game, then you can. You can. We could game together. Because that's kind of my plan for today, honestly. That's kind of my plan today. Is now that the playtest is out, we can start playtesting it. Does Yoinking have matchmaking? Not yet. Not yet. That's another... Or is it lobbies? It's just lobbies right now. I also realized a really crucial error on the thing though. I gotta hide my Steam status so my friends aren't like, what the heck is this game? No. You want your friends to be like, what the heck is this game? And then they ask you about it. And then you lay it down and you go, it's the #1 yoinking game in the world. You gotta try it out. You gotta wishlist it. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah. Playtest vibes are good vibes for Saturday. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Little playtest vibes. Yeah. Ryan, would you like a playtest key or perchance? Boom. There we go. There we go. I'm still setting things up. Let me change the stream title. Playtest. Bam. Pretty spacey today. I got no sleep. Hey, you and me both. You and me both. Yo. I understand. I understand. All right. So, now that the playtest build is submitted and I have keys sent out, I believe patching and setting up new things is going to be a lot easier and faster as well. So I'm going to send forth an update. To make life easier. Yeah. Yep. So what I need to do is go to the main menu and then this backend selector. What I'm gonna do with it, because this is the eNet part, it's very confusing, and I don't want people to even worry about that. So I'm gonna set it up for a baseline Steam. Have it in Steam base. And then I'm also gonna do in the lobby manager. I'm gonna say backend Steam by default. Yeah, I think this is what I'm gonna do. And then I will also needs more pinballs. What up, Flashco? Flashco, would you like a playtest key to Astro Yoinkers? Would you like to yoink with me? Because now we got a playtest. We got a playtest. Let's see here. We gotta see if it works too, by the way. We gotta see if it works. What up, Gamian? Sure. All right, let me do this. Control copy. This is the Flashco key. I don't know if I should be tracking or shouldn't be tracking whose keys whose. But I'm doing it anyways because it seems important. There's your, I just DM'd it to you, Flashco. Oh, well, thank you. Cam just called me beautiful in some very odd terms. I regret looking at my DMs. Highly regret that. I'm a good test monkey. Perfect. I'm gonna be pushing a new build out though, real quick, because what I want to do first is fix up a couple things just to make because I had like little UI things popping up and it gets really confusing. And I already know most people are gonna accidentally hit their ooh, that needs to be localized. Accidentally hit their whoosy whatsy. Their what are the words that are coming out of my mouth right now? They're not gonna know what to press because I have the eNet Steam thing at the top. That's what it is. Yo, Kavino! What up, Miku? Would you like a playtest key? Would you like to playtest? Would you like to yoink with me, but perchance? I got my height adjustable electric desk. Ooh, let's go. That's huge. I ate popcorn this morning. That was a mistake. That was a mistake. Took me 45 minutes to assemble. Yeah. Yeah. I could see that. I could see that. I'm trying to look for the quick fell to doom thing. It's somewhere around here. Fell to their doom. This is the key. Fell to doom. And then what I'm going to do is add a space in that string. Bam. There we go. And then let's open up some GitHub. Miniostar, hello. Welcome in. First time chat. Good to see you. And thank you for the follow earlier. I saw it. I saw it. I was watching. I don't know how you did it, but thank you. What is this? Fixed localization baseline set to Steam. So what I'm doing right now is I am packaging this up. You guys sipping. Oh, it's Pseudo. Oh my lord. Pseudo. Hello. Welcome. Whoa, whoa. You didn't say this was a three-way. Plays Astro Yoinkers Analytics. First indie test monkey key. Let's see here. So I've been wondering where you were, Pseudo. Long time no see. Or Miniostar now. Miniostar. I'll keep it in mind. Keep it in mind. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm setting this up for a Steam build right now. So then that way we can, what up, Rodrigo? We can reduce any friction points from the dev tools that I have in the game. That's the plan, Stan. That's the plan. Steam init. Oh, shoot. I gotta fix that. Boom. Save. Okay. Let's play it. Let's see if it baselines Steam. It should. It should. Working in Proton. Oh yes, it is very, very loud in the beginning. Very loud. I should probably give my account, my private account, a key. Shan't die. Shouldn't die? Shan't? Shallant? Oh wait, I already got it. Whoa! Sammy's already playing it. What in tarnation? Purchase? Hold up. Hold up. Hey, boys and girls. Ika? Long time no see. We just got approved for our playtest. So we got a playtest build. We got a playtest build. Yeah, 1v1 yoink off. I got you. What do you mean? We talked yesterday? Yeah, and we did it. We did it. Okay, so I need to figure this out. Do I need to give my... Stop downloading. No. Pause. I don't need to update these games. No. Do I need to send myself a playtest key? I reckon I do. Unless I just switch to the Freedom Forge Studios account. I could just switch to the Freedom Forge Studios account. And then just do it that way. And that should be fine. Oops, wrong chat. Let's do this. Library. And what happens if I hit play here? It's baselining Steam. I don't know if it's just gonna work because it's a different build in comparison. Oh, it did get validated. Okay, so it will work. Okay, sick. And then there's that. So what I'm gonna do is before we all start playtesting the game and I have a yoink off, I'm gonna fix up a couple of the baseline things, just the little tiny tweaks here and there, just to make life easier. So it's baseline on Steam. Yeah. I don't know how Godot does it, but Unreal maintains a hash of the game for online version matching. Oh. Already delaying a defeat? What do you mean a defeat? I think you mean a embarrassing crushing of Sammy. Someone join my lobby. All right, let's do this. Close that. And then baseline Steam stuff. Push. I'm gonna leave the FPS tag in there as well. And try that out. So what I gotta do is I gotta push an update. Yeah. Is mouse sensitivity supposed to be 2 bars max? No, it's supposed to be much higher. Let's go Astro Yoinkers, indeed. Which list on Steam? Thank you for that pin. I should probably do that pin too. 3 pagers, welcome in. I'm here from the future. From the future? Tell me about the future. How did, what's happening in the future? What's going on there? I don't have my bot open. Streamer bot. Streamer.bot. What? Where's my bot? What's going on here? Dot bot. There it is. Astro Yoinkers flops and puts you in financial debt. Joke's on you, it's already done that. So ha! Take that! Also change the language? Yes. So I should fully preface everything. There's gonna be a lot. There's a lot that I need to do in terms of localization. So don't just ignore those. It is grim. The entertainment is in the dumpster. The world is run by Kellogg's Corporation after Amazon collapse of 2049. Whoa. Amazon collapses in 2049? Why is that? How did they collapse? Aren't they too big to fail? Boom. to secure your rank in the Yoinker Elite. Are chilling in the break room right now. To be in the bots. All right, let's do this. Do that. All right, so what I need to do is I need to go project. What you should look for, help find bugs, broke things. Absolutely. Let me export this first. Yeah, I'm gonna export the new build. I am going to then. I think I should clear out my folder first, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna clear the folder. I'm going to redo. Oh, don't delete that. Those are the keys. I need those. Let's see. Those are more keys. And then where the heck is it? One slight issue about having everything on my desktop. Playtest zip, delete that. I don't know what that is. Where's the actual playtest? I have a folder. Don't I? Flux legit, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the team. Sup, Czar? Zart! Oh my lord, hello. Hello, hey Kavino, I guess. Whoa, wait. Oh my god, Zart with the 12-day streak. I look away for like 2 seconds. Can y'all join my lobby? I'm lonely out here. Nobody to yoink. Never the menu feels clunky. Yes. Hang on. Hold the phone. Do you have a playtest Q&A Discord channel? I don't. I probably should though. That's what we need to set up today. Okay. Pause everything. We need to get our ducks in the rows. Row our ducks. Step one. Change daily goal. Play test prep. That's what we're doing. We're prepping for the actual play test. That's what we're doing. The mission is to recruit the world's top scientists to construct the Freak Factory, the world's hottest genetics based on multimedia streaming super suite, to help population remember the feeling of the glory and smiles. Oh, are you trying to recruit me from the future? Is that what's going on? I mean, I will suppose clips and screenshots in the meantime. Got you. Well, I gotta dip right away because it is party Saturday. Whoa, Czar, you're partying. What is this? All right. Hold all of your thoughts, your criticisms, your things. Step one. Help. I'm trapped in Yoinkers to stand to host a ghost lobby forever. Oof. Gotta spread the word of our Lord and Savior. Whoa, I'm not a Lord and Savior. No. I'm just a guy. All right. Step 2 of things we need to do is I need to find in the desktop, I need to find the thing, the folder to put it in. That's what I need. Yep. Okay, folder. Where is it? I'm leaving you guys right here. Right there. It's literally right there. Thank you. You guys actually just pointed it out for me. I don't know how that happened, but I'll take it. All right, open this up. What I'm gonna do is I think I'm just gonna delete everything in here. Yep. Boom, get deleted. Now we go back to export. Save. Exporting Windows build. I might lag a little bit here. I might. And then, oh! That's a lot of errors. Huh. We're gonna, it'll be fine. Is anyone, I guess we may as well do Linux too. I guess. Future needs all available scientists immediately to brainstorm and roadmap the factory. Scientists that are interested in stream avatars, plus Monster Rancher, plus creatures, PC. I don't know anything about stream avatars or Monster Rancher or creatures. I don't know any of that. Any of that. Feels called out? Good, you should. Okay, so now that we did that, we have all of our stuff here. What we need to do is highlight all of this, and we need to zippity-doo-dah, zip. Apologies, I'm receiving a transmission about dryer sheets. What? What do you mean? What's going on with dryer sheets? What's happening there? I'm so caught up in this transmission. Oh wait, that's an ad. He's stuck in an ad. Connection should stabilize in 1 minute. That's funny. Howdy, Sammy. Okay, then I have to call this Astro Yoinkers _ play test. Bam. Yes. Then what I have to do is go to the top secret thing, and let's see if I remember how to do this. Steamworks. I can talk it through, I think. I think that's fine. I just won't be able to show you guys, unfortunately. So I clicked the playtest app. That's the next thing. Tebow, welcome in. How are you doing? What are you working on? For those of you who don't know Tebow, I mean, I don't know how you don't. He's one of the grand three, the master three of juicers. That's what he is. The top tier, top of the top, super juicer, Tebow. Yes, indeed. Indeed. Working on a beautiful other space game, another space game called Wild Cosmos. You came at a top scientist? Yes, indubitably. Indubitably. Raiden back to lurk. I see how it is, Conrad. I get it. I get it. It's fine. It's fine. Computer system juicy. I mean, am I lying? No. So what we're doing right now is you caught us at a crazy moment. I wasn't fully prepared for this, so now we're just hitting it. We just got approved for our playtest build in like crazy time. So shout out to the Steam person who's watching. Jeremy. Potentially Jeremy. And if it's not Jeremy, then you're now the favorite. We got our playtest build approved. And so what I'm doing right now is one, making a new playtest build. So then it's easier to navigate. Two, giving out playtest keys. And then three, setting up probably a channel in Discord or something. So then I can actually keep all the information together. And then four, we're gonna be yoinking. We're gonna be yoinking today. We're gonna play the playtest. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna find some bugs. We're gonna crush the bugs. And then we're gonna rinse and repeat. That's the plan, Stan. So what I'm doing right now is, as you can see here, I just re-exported the entire project. The entire project. I've heard legends of your conquest. The future is forever in your chest. Oh my. Wait, what about me? Do I not do anything cool in the future? What is this? Okay, so I can't show you guys this page, I don't think. But what I'm doing right now is I am going to all associated packages. And then from there, I'm not going there. Instead, I'm going to, I need to find the pipe. I need to find the yoink pipe. That's what I need to find. And then in the yoink pipe, I need to do the yoink. Oh, here it is. Here it is. There we go. And then we go to Steam pipe and we go web uploads and then choose file. And I go to the desktop and I go to Astro Yoinkers playtest. this guy, grab the zip, open, upload. Wait for it. SD seed. That's per usual. He accidentally uploads pinball instead of Astro Yoinkers. Yeah, nope. It's gonna, yep. Refresh. It's gonna do that. It's gonna do that. Searches for Kavino in the classic timeline. Returns no results. Maybe that's a sign you reached glory in the infinite build timeline for your contributions to the factory. Ooh. Oh, I like that. Infinite glory. Big glory. Glory. I will take it. I will take it. I will take it. Gotta sleep. Good night, Tebow. Sleep well. I need to sleep too, but you know, we got work to do. We got things to do. Uh-oh. Error. Did not receive entire file. All right. We're gonna crash again, folks. Get ready. Get ready for another crash. Because we gotta upload this. Choose file. Open. Reload. Here we go. Brace for impact. Upload. Had to yell it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it didn't crash when I thought. It's loading right now, though. Nah, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Kavino, I think you're boring. Well, that's fair, Game Devil. I think so, too. I think so, too. What, in your opinion, would make me less boring? Ooh, there we go. New build set. I heard a ding. Oh, I said so now that I did the Steam pipeline, that's uploaded. Now I have to go to depots? No, I don't need depots anymore. I need to go to builds. There we are. Branch. Default. Wait, what's today's date? 18th. That's the 16th. Where's the build I just put in? Uh-oh. You also smell. And your house is dirty. I don't smell. Oh, actually, I smell great. I smell like coconuts right now. Yes. Sight. What is sight? You mean, is this what you're looking for, Ryan? Boom. All right, we do this. And then I need to go here. And we're gonna make you guys bigger. There we go. Boom. Then I need to do... There we go. Go to here. So I uploaded the build. And then from the build... Wait, why didn't that work? Depot. Oh, here it is. No. I don't need depot. That's crazy. Oh no. Builds. Team, indeed. Where is this? April 16th. Showing last 50 builds. Wait, but it said that the build was there. Howdy, Cam. I'm just pushing out a new build right now. Oh, is that all I had to do? Let's view the diffs. Oh wait, no diffs. Did that build not upload? Let me re-upload it. We're gonna crash in a sec. It's so scuffed on controller. Yeah, I'm updating a new build right now. We're gonna crash for a sec. A quick little sec. There we go. Okay, it's built. Publish. Prepare. Publish. That's weird though. I didn't get to write my internal note. V 0.0.02. Publish. Thought my work microphone was on mute. Awkward. Awkward. Okay. Supposedly that made everything live. No. There's no update. I did something wrong. Oh, wait. You have unpublished changes. No, I don't. Builds. No, that's not right. What? Guys, I broke it. I broke it. I knew how to do this, and then I broke it. Launches in Pop! OS and Ubuntu, Arch, Fedora, just fine. Ooh, nice. What did I do here? I did the upload. I literally just went over this the other day. Web upload. I did the upload. And then I published the upload. But then I thought I was supposed to go to builds. That says versions. No, that's the old version. Huh. Huh. We have a slight issue. A slight problem. Let's go here. Yeah, that's not showing. What did I do wrong? Let's see. Yeah, another problem. It won't run on my toaster. Wait, it won't? It doesn't run on a toaster? That's kind of the goal. The goal is to let it run on a toaster. I don't think I need a new depot. No. Don't need new depot. I did that. Okay. Web uploads. It runs embedded Linux, so why not? Why? It said that I pushed it. I don't see it though. Open. Upload. We're gonna crash in a sec. We're gonna crash. So, before we crash, iHeart did run me through all this earlier. And then I forgot it all. Immediately. There we go. It uploaded. Standard. Wait for it. Does iHeart have Steam games? Yes. She has one iHeart that she just put up. It's not fully released yet. It's not released yet. But she's making a Stop and Smell the Flowers. Okay. Oh, here it is. I see what happened. I didn't get the full merge. I didn't wait long enough, so I never got to commit it. Ah, commit. Now the build is committed. That's version 0.0.02. That's why I didn't wait long enough. And then I click publish and then prepare, publish, and then enter in the little phrase, really publish. Bam. Changes are now live. How do I know? It should like say it needs to update. Okay, there's no other things. Released. It should be good now. Maybe it just takes a second. I think it just takes a second. Yeah, new build got submitted, version 0.0.02. Why does that say default? Oh, I need to set this one to default. Oh, and then I have to set build live now. Check this out. Ready? Wait. What? I have to do a confirmation code? That doesn't seem right. Oh, I totally did something so wrong. So wrong. Okay. I guess that's... Please enter description or title in one language. Guys, I done messed up something. I don't know what I did. I think you broke it. Huh. Waits for a Linux build so you don't need Proton. Wait, there is a Linux build. I think you'd rock a mullet with clean shave. Interesting. Will new build insta publish or will it be pending? Insta publish. I just have to press the right buttons together. And I don't know if I am. I don't think I am. It should be live now. Should be. I didn't wish this my own game. Yeah, it should be live. But it doesn't look like it is. You can see them in properties and game files and betas. You should be able to see them. Wait. Oh, that's just a Steam thing. Build. It says the build is live. Builds. Yeah, it says default version 0.2. But it's not doing it. Interesting. Yeah, see? If I have to do one more password reset, I swear. Why are you swearing? Yeah, it didn't do it. Because I removed this. Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. Can you share the screen? No, that's the problem. Is I can't show you guys the Steamworks. Or at least I don't believe I'm supposed to. Because at the very bottom it said there was an ND. Oh, there we go. It did go through. It did go through. We're good. We're good. I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional game dev. I keep forgetting this. I keep forgetting that I'm a professional game dev. I just had to wait a quick second. Not on my end. Is it private? No, sir. It's gonna take like a couple seconds, or maybe a minute or so, but it will go through. Yes. All right. Step 3. What we need to do is go to play. And we need to try it. Oh. Okay. Settings. Good. No volumes. These are, yes. They're mixed up a little bit, but it's fine. Oh. My game crashed. Huh. All right, don't press the settings menu. It crashes the game, folks. All right, we do this. And if I go host, public. I'm hosting a public lobby on version 0.2002. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. All right, and I have 25 FPS apparently. That doesn't seem right, but okay. Doesn't feel like 25 FPS. Maybe I do. Dreamforge Studios has left the match. What? Why did I leave the match? No, I didn't. Why did that go off? Oh, it was me. I couldn't join. I'm on the old version. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, you won't be able to join. Yeah, you're still in the old version. So every time, that's really interesting. So I need to check the version when validating. What I'm gonna do is pop open Notion. And I'm gonna start keeping a list of things. Whoa. There we go. Astro Yoinkers. Boom. Bugs. All right. And check version or game version. Before member validation. That's 1. Bam. There we go. All right, if anybody would like to yoink with me, should add some rigid bodies in the lobby so you can play with. That's a good idea. That's also a really good idea, actually. There's no update yet. Rigid bodies in lobby to play with. Huh. You should make the game run at more than 7 FPS. That is well ironic. Ironic, would you like a key to Astro Yoinkers playtest? It was capped at 60 for me. Interesting. It should be capped at 120. Okay. Okay, let me do this. Boom, boom. And then do that. Copy. Save. Go to let me do this. Whisper. There you go. DM'd it to you on Twitch. Bam. Did anyone else get the update? Yeah, that's a good question. I got the update. I did push it. So we should be good. The stuff RX 5804. 584 gigabytes. Yikes. Yikes. Better than Caminos? No, no, no. A 1080 does outperform a 580. That's for sure. That's for sure. I think a RX 580 is now a $30 GPU. Something like that. Maybe a $50 GPU now. Non-TI? Yeah, it's not a TI, unfortunately. Not a TI. Okay. Let's see. Well, we can't have that now. I wish. All right. So we should be good. Did anyone else get the update? Did Steam approve this? They did, ironic. They did approve it in record time. It was, I submitted the playtest build thing. Oh my God, someone's here. Wait, why are you Freedom Forge Studios? I'm Freedom Forge Studios. Wait, that's me. What are you doing with this? Change team? Who is that? Why do they have my name? Unlucky they shouldn't have? That's crazy. What do you mean unlucky they shouldn't have, ironic? This is a banger of a game, as they say. Top tier game. Probably have a 3070 somewhere, not doing a thing. That's crazy. It's me, Daniel Pancake. This is you. I cannot type in chat there. Really? That's weird that it's not finding. Well, there's another Freedom Forge Studios. Why is it not getting everyone's names? I cannot unfocus mouse unlock. Press Alt. That's me. That's ironic. Why are we getting the names? You in States? Yes. You are red on my screen. No, wait. This is, yeah. This is red. Teams are not correct. Names are not correct. That is so strange. Teams and name and Steam names not correct. Spawned in blue. You're red on my screen. Blue on your own. Oh, I think I know why. The reason why is because I didn't transfer the team change. That's why. Team change doesn't update to players joining. And then also the name. I have no camera. You'll have your mind blown. Wait, what the heck? What is this, Ika? What? Why are there so... I knew there was gonna be bugs, but... What? Oh, dear God. This is so much worse than I thought. All right. Chat doesn't look... Oh my God, and the chat doesn't... I can jump in and walk while something because the chat doesn't... While typing... Chat doesn't work at all. Okay, so I also need to get the chat, and chat needs to word wrap sooner. Word wrap based on size of chat box. Have you seen something like this before? No. All right, what if I press ready? What if I ready up? That's the next question. Ready? How can I try this game? Polixmus, I will send you a key. Boom. Boom. Whisper. Copy. And then... Boom. Copy. Bam. There you go. There's your playtest key. There we go. Bam. Instead of playing red blue, why not make the player name their team color? That would be cool. Ready up. If you guys haven't readied up, press ready up. It's in the, you have to press alt, mouse click, ready. There we go. I've pressed ready. Ooh, let's see. Yeah, start game's not working. That means someone didn't ready. Okay. It's not there anymore. Okay, so that means it's ready. Huh. Is start game just not working? I wonder, can I play? Like 7 people have connected and disconnected, so they're probably getting counted for still readying up. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Okay. Yeah, I think that might be happening. So when someone... We have a hold queue of 25 people, rip. Ah, update pushed, yeah. There were messages, and you see, I was not paying attention to the messages. Okay. That all members left. Interesting. Okay. How do I even name this? What would I call this bug? After a member leaves, ready up is still looking for them, and that's because we still keep their player data on, so in case they reconnect. That's what's going on there. We're keeping player data, so need to check lobby member node, or actually check player data state to make sure they are still in the game when going to ready. Yeah, move them in inactive array. That's basically what we're doing. Instead of moving them in an array, we are just doing flipping their state on their data node. Yeah. Okie doke. What is going on here? Close you. Let's see. I still can't start it. Holy moly, we got 4 people in here. This is crazy. I broke it. Also, the scoreboard says team_red. Yes, all the localizations, just ignore the localizations. They're all, oh, whoa. Whoa, okay. Also, I'm the only one on blue team, but that's clearly not the case. Because that person's blue. That Freedom Forge Studios is blue. We're all Freedom Forge Studios. Do any of you guys, my chat disappeared? Yeah, it disappears over time. Do any of you guys see your name above? Or is it all Freedom Forge Studios? Am I crazy? I have no camera. You have no camera, Ika? It's all FFS? Okay. It's all FFS. So it's all the host. Everyone's Steam name is showing as the host. That's probably a local resource. On name. I bet that's what's going on there. But then again, if it was local resource, they would just change the last one. The other one is weird though. It says there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh! 4 people just left. Wait, there's no one on. Wait, why is red and blue backwards? Wait. What? Kick player. Oh! But I can see the icon. So what if I just start kicking everyone? Get kicked. Oh, I can't kick myself, I guess. I guess this is me. I just kicked everyone. You kicked me! I just spam kicked. Alright, I'm gonna rage quit. See this. How dare you? Interesting. That was some default Steam icon. Ah, okay. Well, gang, today we're gonna discuss the pros and cons of wind energy. We're not gonna be doing that. Could someone else... Wait. Why is that lobby still alive? Oh! Let's join this one. Oh! Oh, yeah, we're all named the host. Howdy. Oh, what the? Howdy. Why can't I type? Howdy. We're all Zytron. Daniel Pancake here. Ah. Daniel Pancake, can you ready up and start the game? Yeah, we're all the host name. Chatbox is completely broken. What's yeah, when I press enter, I can't move. You have to press enter. Actual gameplay, pick up Cavino. Yes, we got approved for the playtest. And this is the playtest build. LT if you want a thing. I clicked start game, nothing happened. Dear God, we have so many problems already. LT, if you want a key, I can send you one. Boom. Whisper. And then boom, boom. LT. Conquer. Copy. Save. Bam. There you go. Yes, please. Okay. Chat box is completely broken. By the way, I'm Ika. It works now. It didn't work. Yeah, the chat slash help. There is no slash help. That's a good idea though. Okay, interesting. So, all right, we're gonna fix these bugs first, and then go from there. Oh, I can't even press escape right now. What? I can't even leave. It performs well, by the way, no lag. Oh, that's dope. Steam played this and said good enough to put in their store. Think about that. Listen, it's a, no, ironic. It's a playtest build. They knew, I told them it was gonna be broken. Like, it's supposed to be broken. I can't even press escape right now. What's going on? Huh. Controls plus chat is driving me insane. Ooh. Ooh. We're here for the jank? Yeah, it's very janky. Okay, I'm just gonna close the game. Force close it. There we go. All right, what we're gonna do is we're going to take a step back and we're gonna fix a couple bugs real quick. How do I join? You press host or join, and then you do it. Yeah. Unless you're asking how to input the Steam key, you just go add game. And then when you press add game, you do activate product. And then you paste that key that I put on. Oh, I'm in the game. Oh, let's go. All right. Bug fixing time. Wanted to see if I could enter your lobby, but my game crashed. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Bug fixing time. We got 4 bugs. Major bugs. I crashed something from the settings menu. Yeah, settings menu is crashing. Menu crashes. And then also couldn't press escape in lobby. Major bug when in load. Oh, Ika had a bug too. Is when loading into a lobby, players sometime don't transition screens. When I host, everything works perfectly before someone joins. Suggestion, let lobby host select team colors. We can do that a Twitch versus Kick FFS game. That would be pretty funny. That would be pretty good. I regret taking this weekend shift. Back-to-back calls getting sworn at by new starters. That sounds really fun, Cam. Really fun and exciting. All right, we need to fix bugs. That's step one, so then we can do the playtest again. So, Also, the chat wasn't working. Chat needs to word wrap. And then we can also say, chatting feels clunky plus sometimes doesn't work. First bug is the audio. There is no audio. That's another thing. I haven't done the sound effects. You are not working. What? I'm working. I'm working. Feel free to abuse my 10 gigabyte. You have 10 gigabyte? What? That's crazy. Can someone please join my lobby? I'm literally begging. Begging. Okay. Let's go just down the list. So step one is on member validation. We need to check the version number. I don't know how to do that. So next one, teams and Steam name are not correct. That's an easy one to fix. So teams and Steam name. My first thought here is that on the player name label, where is it? Somewhere around here. Player name label. My thought is that this text is not local. It is local to Steam. Oh. Wait a sec. Yep, my neighbors is their sysadmin. Ooh, that's good. That's good. Said chat is not working. No, I meant the in-game. In-game. Okay, so it is local to resource. Interesting. Which means there is something else happening with the lobby manager that is causing the names to be the host's name. Can I, as long as I don't make changes, if I run the game on the like through the editor, I should be able to do this, right? Oh yeah, I can. I gotta fix these too. The lobby names. We need to cut it. Lobby names need to word wrap or cut. Scroll it. Oh, that's a good one actually. I like that idea. Scroll the names, especially if they are long names. I like that. Scroll it. That's really good. All right, we'll join Ika's lobby real quick. Yeah, I became friends with him, not knowing what he did, and saw it, pulled some strings. I don't even know how you actually use it effectively. That's crazy. That's awesome, though. All right, joining Ika's lobby. Oh, we're all Ika. We're all Ika. If I press ready, seems to be working just fine. Hup. I'm blue. Hold that. Ika blue, Ika red. They're both red. Okay, good. My PC only does one. Ooh. It might be your Ethernet port. Might not be able to handle that. We're ready, but I can't start. Smashing the button. Ah. Getting debug errors. I am getting errors, actually. That's a very good point. Wait, these are fake, though. Because this isn't the open one. Is it? Remote? Player manager. Oh, this is the open one. Wait, session 2 is also showing it, though. Wait, what session am I playing on? I must be playing on this one because this is the one that's growing. And if I click into here, Steam ID, player name Ika. Ika. They're all Ika. Oh, data state missing. Ready. Ready to start. So it's this guy. If I force them ready to start, now press start. How do you write emotes? Hey, 1 gigabyte's still stupid fast. It is. It really is. I just like force readied him. I don't know if that works. Smashing? Yeah, maybe it doesn't work like that. So it's because the data state is at none right now. Ready? None. Ready. So if the data state is not ready, then we need to fix that. Yeah. That's a beautiful background. Let's see. Yeah, the settings menu breaks. That was the audio. Put audio on. Oh, I hear it. Yeah, that hissing. Yeah, that was an issue from before as well. It's very loud on my end, yeah. I had the issue on the first launch as well. It stopped after the update. Yeah, once the... I need to like set the... For some reason it maxes out by default. Even though I'm setting it to not. Okay. But who is on... What the... Get off of me! There we go. Wait, where did he go? There's 3 Ikas. Okay. I'm gonna quit out of this. Oh, I can't press escape. Yeah. The pause menu won't let me... Huh. Okay, one step at a time. I'm gonna force quit. Only host can pause? No, I don't think so. Maybe though. Maybe. Okay, so step 1. Let's take it one step at a time. So first thing we want to do is the Teams and Steam name are not correct. That's what we need to do first. So let's go with the Steam name, taking it one step at a time. It will let me join. Interesting. Might need to call an exterminator. Ika's cloning himself. Maybe. Oh, actually, I should, no, I'm gonna do the names, and then after the names, I'm going to do the data state check for readying. Yeah. Yeah, the data state check for readying. Okay, so let's see. Wait, never mind. Multiple Ikas means we can make more 3D stuff. That's true. That's true. I like this idea. All right, let's focus up. When we spawn in here, this is why playtests are good. You can find all the bugs. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Lobby manager. Steam. And I was forcing the lobby manager to be backend Steam by default. That's step one. So then when we add the member, we get their Steam ID, which that was working. Validate member. This is for the game version, which I gotta do, but we're not there yet. We're focusing on the names first. Start host, stop host, join host. So we create the peer. We join lobby, which creates the peer. Do I need a code to join? No. There might just not be any lobbies going on right now. All you have to do is you just press join. Yeah. First wave of testers, the extermination squad. Yeah, pretty much. We just literally just smoked out like 1,000 bugs instantaneously. So now we gotta squash every single one of them. Squash them all. On member validated is what I need to find. So handle a loaded request. Player ready. I can just go through here. On member validated. So this is the server doing it. Var Steam ID. Okay. Good job, boys. There's snacks in the break room. Unless Kavino ate them all. Again. What do you mean again? You calling me fat? Is that what you're doing, Flashco? Crazy. Okay. It sets the team. Steam get persona name. But this is only doing the host. So I think what's happening here is when I do Steam get persona name, it's getting the name of the host only. Because the host is the one creating this data dictionary. Which is weird because that wasn't a problem before. I remember before we were doing this exact same thing and we saw the names. So it is a little odd. What up, TV? Let's see. If not Steam IDs, has Steam ID. So we append the Steam ID in. I guess what I could do is we have the host on. Wait, no, this is on member validated though. And then the host validates that member. Eyeball. Yeah, wait a sec. The host does this. They get their Steam ID. They check if they're reconnecting. And reconnects them to their player data if they are reconnecting. Then it goes ahead and creates a data dictionary. But this is the problem. Steam get persona name. It's getting the name of the host as compared to getting the name of the PID that's connecting. So I need a different function or thing for their name. Get friend persona name? What is that? Let's go into it and read. That's the way we do it. We read. All right, get persona name gets a current users. Get friend persona name gets a specified user. That's what I need. Get friend persona name with their Steam ID. Yeah. Yeah. Get friend persona name with Steam ID. There we go. That should work. Yeah, that should work. Okay. We think that's the first fix. So let's write down potential fixed. And then we'll do steam.get friend persona name Steam ID. Okay. You missed the amazing trick. Amazing trick. What was the amazing trick? Boom, boom. Okay. That's the name. Next problem is the teams. So the team, what it does is it swaps the teams back and forth between red and blue, based on the player's size. Has the menu got a bug? Yes. I sent Ika to outer space. Wait, what did you do to poor Ika? Player's size, modulo 2. Swap teams back and forth. Which is just gonna be 0 or 1. That should be fine though. Man. There we go. I fell asleep with my contacts on. Not great. He grappled above somehow and I went flying. That's kind of funny. Okay. I think that should be good for the name. Let's do the next. The team is interesting though. So it wasn't showing the correct teams weren't showing correct colors. And then also that reminds me, in the tab menu, I need to fix the team names over here. 2D tab menu. Yeah, team red, team blue should be flip-flopped. So this one, red label, that's the player name. Chat, player name. Where is it? What's above that? Red panel. Wait, what? Wait. That is correct, but the colors are not. How are the colors flip-flopped? Oh, that's blue. And then this one's the red one. Okay, so I can just switch the colors. Copy. And then go to red panel. Parameters. 077 0077FF. I'm gonna write that down. 0077FF. And then I just go boom. And Godot crashes. Nice. Nice. I like that. That's fun. That's fun. Very, very fun. Okay. Loading. Any moment now. Cool. Cool, cool. Come on, you can crash. You got this. There we go. The movement and flying around is good, not gonna lie. Ooh, that's good. That's really good. That's like the main part of the game. We do need to make sure that's good. The thing about the grappling is it does take, at least from when I did a previous playtest, it does take a little bit to get used to, because you kind of have to like take your mouse and like do this kind of motion to swing. But I think that's secretly a good thing. It's not super intuitive, but then once you start doing it, you're like, oh, this feels more interactive. At least that's the impression that I was getting. I could be very off on that. Okay, red panel. And we're gonna go into the texture, not the texture, sorry. Into the material, shader, parameter, and, oh wait, I forgot what red was. Let's go blue. Blue panel. Oh, leave that. Material, shader parameter. Oh, it's just F, quad 0. Copy that, and 0077FF. There we go. Red panel. There we are. Flipped those. Saved. Good. Let's hide the tab. Yeah, not being able to press start half time's not ideal. Right. That's going to be the next bug we fix. Let's see. Did I write tab menu in here? I did not. Okay. How do game updates work for playtest? So basically, all I do is I push an update, and then the playtest is going to say update, and then you just press that. Yeah. I don't know if there's a way where I can, I'm sure there is, but a way where I can like put a little notification of some sort in the game. So if you're on which actually, wait, pause everything. That's something I should do, is on the main menu screen, I'm gonna make a quick little UI thing that's just gonna have the version number. Yeah. That's a good idea. Version control, and then label version number. And I'll take this control, just bloop, bloop. Version number v0.0.03. Let's go center, label settings. We can do that. That should be good. Yeah, that should be good. Something like that. Although I could probably attach this to the actual version number here. That would probably be smart. Application config version. Huh. Yeah. Please make that update itself. Yeah. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let's make a new script for it. Keep things separate. Class name version control. And then what I'll do is get the label and then func ready. And we will say, what was the project settings? Application config. So I think I need to do, no. How do I get the settings? Settings? No, editor settings. Project settings? That doesn't seem right. Take a hike. Oh, yikes. How do we get the version number? All right, let me stand up. Get your blood flowing for the bugs. LT. I got some bad news. My blood is not flowing today. Not flowing today. I went to bed at 7 a.m. It's not good. Not good. Fine. Yeah. Oh geez, indeed. It's all good. We got a pounding headache. The usual. Where is it? Yes, a guest that is coming here got bailed out yesterday from DV. That's fun. Okay. There we go. All right. We gotta figure out how to get the actual version number here. How to get version number. That's what we'll do. Why is Game Devable such a jerk? What do you mean? Game Devable is not a jerk. Let's see. See if I can do this real quick. No, the words are not gonna load in time. Oh well. No pause. Play. Oh, I didn't turn it on. Duh. I was like, why is my thing not working? Kevino, I think you're boring. You also smell. Your house is dirty. Oh, just trolling. Bam. All right. Let's see. Ready? We have to get the version number. So let's do. Holy crap! This is crazy. Godot, how to get game version number. Project settings, get settings. Okay. Dude, stop. Stop it. I'm stopping. What's wrong? You literally grokked that. That's crazy. It's a quick little check. There's nothing. What's wrong with that? Just check in. He didn't use grok. It's same thing. I googled it, and then the first AI answer that popped up. You literally have everything in Godot. True. Made with AI, GG. Siri, how to make games sell 1 million copies? No, but no, not actually. There we go. My Siri actually went off. Efficiency is having Claude in the background. Yeah, that's true. Okay, I'll find it myself. It's, if I remember right, the string is actually application slash, wait, we can do this, project settings. It is application config version slash config slash version. Bam. And then all I have to do is version number dot text equals. There we go. There we go. I am pro AI, as you can tell. I'm not against. All right, I'm gonna leave the version blank. And now if I hit play, it should just update with that version number at the bottom right. Thing flat. There it is, 003. I do need another one that for the V, so people know. Let's do a label. Label. 2D. Actually, I could just do an H box. Bro, stop. What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, good God. What's wrong? What's wrong? I was just doing an H box. Yeah. Oh, I was just gonna do an H box. So then it says V. So I have another. Oh, okay. Okay. I know what I can do instead. Never mind. You're right. Never mind. That's a good point. I forgot. I'm a professional game developer. V plus. Duh. There we go. I fixed it. We're good. I forgot. I wasn't thinking. I wasn't using my brain there. Good catch. It's fixed. I gotta go break it. Break is over. Good luck playtest fixing. Thank you, Vongo. By the way, when is playtest? Right now, Vongo. Right now. We just ran a little playtest. And to answer your question, iHeart, there it is. There's the V right there. Beautiful. We found a lot of bugs. You should just make a static image and replace it each version. Daniel is hacking. Wait, what? Mr. Pancake, are you hacking right now? Oh no, I missed it. Bongo, I will send you a playtest key. He has speed hack. That's crazy. Already hacking an Astro Yoinkers. Let me send Vongo a playtest real quick. Bongo, I'm gonna DM it to you on Twitch real quick. Bongo. Copy. Bam. There you go, buddy. Bam. Yeah, nothing will stop anybody from opening up Cheat Engine and cheating in your game, by the way. What is Cheat Engine? Can we add mods? No, not yet. I think it'd be really cool to have, like, Cheat Engine is to hack games. Oh. Change health or something? Okay. I think it would be really cool to have, like, mod support. That's kind of super low priority, though, because I don't know how to do that. And I feel like we need to get the game going first. But I think it would be something really cool to have, like using Steam's Workshop stuff and building that out. I think that'd be really cool. Something similar to, like, you see, like the Among Us had all that kind of stuff, and Repo has that, and pretty much all those games do. I think that'd be really cool. Cheat Engine manipulates RAM values. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know how we check that, though. Congrats on the motion, brother. Keep up the good work. It's a good thing you made. I'm gonna check in with y'all later at work. Sounds good, 3-pagers. I appreciate that. Have a great one. And thank you for coming from the future back here. All right. So we have the version number. That's good. I don't even think I made a little thing for that. No, I didn't. Okay. Oh wait, I did. Check game version before member validation. That's what I need to do. So yeah, we need to check game version before member validation. Proxy, welcome in. How are you doing? What were you up to? What were you doing? We are working on Astro Yoinkers right now. We just got accepted for a playtest, or our playtest build got accepted. So we just ran out a mini playtest. It was more of a, people got on, bajillion bugs appeared, and now we are stomping each individual bug one at a time, just crushing them all. We're on version 0.0.03 now. Yes. I was just working on a mini map for roguelike. That's awesome. It sounds great. Absolutely. Shout out Prog Z. There we go. Bam. Bugs be popping. Indeed. But yes, we are, that's what we're doing right now. So we just supposedly, we don't know yet. We think we fixed the member or the team names going through. Think. We're not sure yet. But I think that was fixed. Then the next one is the teams aren't showing the correct color. I also need to do member validation. The team's not showing the correct color. I'm not 100% sure on that one yet, why that's happening. But game version is what we're on now. So for the game version, we have a version label. Already 72 hours on Astro Yoinkers. There's no way. Version on version number on main menu. That's good. And then we also need to now check the version number. So what I think we need to do is over here, when we go to validate the member, let's see. This one. We need to check the game version. To do this, we need to check. So we have the game version. And it needs to be aligned with the hosts. Minutes felt like hours. Oh, that's not a good thing. Game version. So we want to make sure that I guess we have to get the host's version. Get the host's game version. And then check that PID. Who's calling validate? This is the server calling to validate them. Okay. So then how do I get... There should be a way for like Steam get version. Oh, it's get voice. That's interesting. Get version. Get supported game version data. I want to read what that does. Some items can specify that they have a version that is valid for a range of game versions. The Steam branch. Okay. That might be good. Oh. So basically what this is saying is you can accept multiple versions. So if you have like a minor patch, you could allow version 3 and version 4 to still play together. That's how I'm interpreting this anyways. But it's based off of the Steam branch. Okay. Interesting. Based off the Steam branch. I don't know what the ints and indexes are, though. I wonder if I could do this. Specify that they have a version that is valid for a range. But it's on Steam branch. I don't think I want that one. Get stat float. Oh no, my dad just uploaded a photo of me in 2015 having my first coffee on Facebook. Aw, that's cute. I was 7. Stop right there. You were 7 in 2015, Cam? Stop. Please. Please. I read the whole message. I read the full thing. Wait, what? I read that. Oh no. My dad just uploaded a photo of me in 2015 having my first coffee. He made it for me. Oh, it was 7 coffees, no sugar, no milk. Oh, it, not I, it. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. He might have seen. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. I was 7 years old though. Oh, that's crazy. Alright, So, query handle, if you know, is unk. Oh, whoa. I am not unk. I was 4 years old. iHeart was 4 years old back in 2015. Kavino is so unky. What? I finished school in 2015. Wait, did I? I think you did, Ika. Or you finished in 2016. Unk always with his hoodie. That's crazy. That's crazy. So if I look at the build versions here, I have my build IDs. I don't have a version though for the indexes that it's looking for. Interesting. So I might need to do this a different way. Were you born in 97 or 98? 98. School means what, America? Back in my town, school is for 12 years. Yeah, no, that's high school. So like, you start in like kindergarten or first grade, and then you go to your, other way. You go to your senior year, which is like grade 12. Yeah, grade 12. Yeah. Oof, imagine having a 1-9 before your birth year. What do you mean? That's how you know the person's cool. Imagine being born after 2003. You missed like everything. Yeah, for real. Born after 2003. Zoomer alert. Am I right? Crazy. Them iPad kids. 2006 was a peak year to be born. Stop. Imagine being born before 2020. Wait. Did you watch the hearing about Stop Killing the Games on EU Parliament? No, I didn't. I heard about it going through, but I didn't see anything else about it. Yeah. 1978 has entered the chat. And then Savage comes out of nowhere. 1842 has entered the chat. The dawn of time. Okay, I don't know how to get the game version. Was waiting for that a few years. 78 is pretty young. Yeah, 1978 is pretty young. Boom. I don't know how to check that. Oops. Confirm hosts version number in comparison with client joining version number. If not same, disconnect client and prompt to update game. Yeah, I'm a 97 kid. I wish. I'm not reading it. All right, we're gonna pass that for now. We're gonna go to our. Oh, we can go to the ready up. That's the next part. That's in our player manager here. You finished the game, dude. We want to yoink. I'm working on it, Ika. I'm working on it. The little thing. My brain just ain't connected today. It ain't connected. I went to bed at 7 a.m. I got a headache. Lights hurt my eyes. And there's two beaming at me right now. It's crazy. Neutron didn't activate. GG. What? I go through school and college. Before social media was mainstream, I win. I got through. Don't you like how Steam lets you post updates at any time? Yes. iPhone games require a review? Yes. It's actually so cool. So good. That's why I was like thrilled that we got the Steam push through. Which crazy fast timing on that. I am so astounded. I was like, oh man, we're gonna have to wait a whole week. But no, we just boom, we can get to work. It's awesome. Imagine growing up without brain rot doom scrolling. I think the effects very good. I like a platform that is flexible around human error and lets you edit and resubmit things. Yes. Yeah. It's almost as if they understand what it's like to do development. Crazy. Speaking of development, the way they've been updating Deadlock is like crazy amount of updates just going through. Like you'll play a game and then all of a sudden it's like, boom, major update. We fixed all this stuff. So good. At random times, I love it. Gaben is like, if I make this platform good, I make more money. He went for that. I mean, that's definitely part of it. Nobody cares about your ailments, Kavino. I'm adding another 3 hours to your stream today. Whoa, Game Devil. What do you mean you're adding another 3 hours to stream? I grew up with don't talk to strangers, don't get into strangers' cars, and now I use my phone to call strangers to get in their cars. That's so true. That's so true. Given knows the people who really get rich during Gold Rush are the ones who sell the tools. That's true. That's true. The ones that sell the picks. Yep. That's handling the team change. Okay. Yes. Then we need to go to the ready. There it is. Handle player request ready. So what I need to do is first, I need to check for unready people. Yeah. Can I ask for 2 keys for my brother and my friend? Sure, Ika. I can send them to you. Keep in mind though, it's just a play test. Just a play test. So there's a lot of bugs right now, as you know, as you've seen. But first we have ads coming up. I'm gonna chuck on the words real quick. Heading to level 1. Lots of fun. Then when we come back, we're gonna fix the ready up issue. So all we need to do is just loop through all the players, find the ones whose data is not ready, and then pop them out. Yeah. Yeah. All right, I'll be right back real quick, and then we will do it up. Boop, boop. I have returned. Whew, I broke it again. Way to go, Sammy. Always breaking things. Always breaking things. Turn these words off. There we go. I noticed that when we are playing, he insta-returns, but when this breaks, he comes in an hour. Is this true? I didn't know. I had no idea. All right, where was I? Player handling the ready request. So where do we call this actually? That's the first question. Match case it. Player manager, request ready. In the lobby scene, and that's on the temporary ready up button. Okay. So that's where we request it. What I need to do is, let's go back to the player manager here. And I think what I will do is on start game, I will do the check. I have a Wolf Mountain ESO, and I can make it go a woo while riding it. All your wildest fantasies seem to have come true in ESO. Crazy. Start game. Request match data clear. Where is the request start though? That's gonna be in the lobby. In the lobby. Or not. I like how when I click on host lobby, the words private and public appear in gigantic text so I can epically decide. Yeah, something like that. That's not right. What is going on here? That's the lobby manager, lobby scene. Here it is. Whoa. This is the old lobby scene. I should probably be deleting this stuff. Yeah. This game needs some theme, like Avengers Endgame. What do you mean by that? Let's see. Go there, go here. And do I have like a request start? Team change. Avengers Yoink game. Oh, a soundtrack, yes. We do need to lock in on sound effects and all that as well. My thought, I know I kept telling myself not to like wait on the sound effects and the music, but I just keep pushing it back more and more. Because my thought process here is, if the game is fun without sound, then the sound is the juice that brings it to more life, you know? Audio will make this game 10 times better. I 100% agree. Like, I agree it will. But my thought is like, I'm saving it for the end because I want the game to be fun without audio. And then the audio just brings it to like a whole nother level. That's kind of the way I'm thinking about it. Because I keep thinking back about when when we were juicing up, what was it? There was some mechanic that we were juicing up. You can mute audio, that's true, that's true. There was some mechanic that we juiced up a ton, and it wasn't a fun mechanic, but it felt fun because of all the juice that was added to it. Also, hi Ghost Render, how you doing? Yeah, I played games with levels that I disliked everything about, except I liked the music so much it carried me through. Oh wow. Oh wow, relatable. Okay, we will have to do that. Also, Half-Life 2 really opened my eyes about audio in games. Yeah. I think one of the big ones was actually during Gallant Golf, when Ironic was talking about you need a sound effect for when you hit something, and then also the hit back on it. So like if they're wearing metal armor, you have it make a different sound. So it's really two sounds when you collide. One of the player going to hit, and then the impact itself. And that was huge. That was huge. I've been crashing out all morning from something that should be easy in Godot. Oh? What is it? Maybe we can help. This is what I need. Find. Okay. On temporary pressed. Okay, that's the ready. So I need to check here. Data.ready to start. First thing I need to do is I need to, howdy Simran. Yes, in Unreal, we use data table lookups to determine what hit sound play based on collision material. Oh. Yeah, there's more to it. Depends on what you're doing. For footsteps, leather sound, dirt particles, sound, weight. Yeah. There's a lot you can go into. You can go really deep into it, which I think is awesome. All right, I'm gonna put a temporary function here because these buttons are still temporary. Funk. Let's see. Are you alive this morning? No, this is a pre-recording actually. If you are seeing this video, Kavino is no longer. Yes. Also, we got a didn't know if you were pre-recording or you were still asleep. It's a little bit of both. Madrid are out, by the way, finally. Yes, football. Yes. But we got our playtest build accepted. We just ran a quick little playtest. I can send you a playtest key too, by the way. Goose. Trapped. There we go. Sports ball. Yes, sports ball. Let's do this. go here, go to this one, bam, play test key, arrow upward. There you go, bam. I'm trying to make it so when you walk up to a certain object, it becomes a new object, like a hallucination. Ooh. Ooh. If you're doing something like that, Ghost Renderer, I'd probably say an area 3D. And then all you do is you find the player. And when the player enters the area, you change the mesh. And that's it. That's probably what I would say. But you might need to... If it's a mesh, you might need to delete it. And load in a new one. But I would think an area 3D would be pretty good. A very basic way. You know, it's the game where you play ball with your foot, yes. With the big sports ball tournament going on, I need to make more social media posts where fans can find my game. That's true. That's true. Alright, let's stop that. I'm getting dizzy. What's the function I'm doing? The function I'm doing is checking for disconnected. So I'm actually going to create with the mesh as a part of a node 3D. With other objects would make that a... Wait, what if the mesh is a part of a node 3D with other objects? Would that make it off? No. So like, if you have your node, and then you have like within your node 3D a mesh instance, you would just change the mesh here. Or alternatively, you could do something like have a holder. So this will be like your mesh holder, which is just another node 3D. And then what you do is when someone enters the area, when they enter, you just go to this, you delete the child. So this is the one that's showing mesh. You delete the child, and then you add a new child for the new mesh, new model, or whatever you want to call it. Something like that. I do shape keys and custom objects that warp into another form. Yeah, that's very complex though. Whoa, holy moly. Put that down. Whoop. Whoop. All right. Simple one-time thing. You can give it 2 models, only visual, hide at one time. Oh yeah, you could do that too. Just to show and hide. That would be way easier, actually. Way easier. What if I want to fade in? Yeah, same thing. Do the alpha. All right, so I want to create an array for ready players. Actually, I can do this. Player or all players ready. And that's gonna return a bool. And I'm gonna say for data in player manager dot players, if data dot data state is not equal to... Have you solved the Nana issue? Yes, I think so, Knife. I think so. Player data dot data state dot missing is not missing. Then we check Yeah, let me do another if. Very good. I also would have reached out to my Nana network. You have a network of them, Knife. Interesting. A network of them. Huh. Good to know. Good to know. Let's see. Data state, not equal. Player data state missing. So if it's not missing, which means that they're in, then what we can say is if not data dot ready to start, return false. And then return true. So if it goes through all players ready, let's also do a if not multiplayer dot is server return. Oh, you can't do that because of the bool. I think this is gonna be the play though. So we loop through the players. We make sure that their data state is not missing. Then we check if they're not ready, then you return false. And that breaks everything. And then you return true if you make it past these steps. Yeah. So then what I'll do here is say, if all players ready, then we change map. And that should work now. So we fixed the ready. Where was that? This one. Keeping player data. So yeah, we added a temporary check function for button. Yeah. Although I should probably put this in the player manager. Yeah, that would make more sense. That'd make far more sense, actually. I'm gonna do that. Cut player manager dot, and then close you, paste. There we go. Checks if connected players are ready. Cool. Save that. Let's push. Steam fixes. So we did name or Steam name label. We did version number. We did tab menu fix. And then we just did the ready fix. Boom. Beautiful. All right, push. Cool. Those fixes good. Now we got to do chat needs to word wrap. That's the next one. I'm gonna make a new I want to organize this a little bit better. I don't know how to add a new category. New project? No. New status, maybe? I forgot how to use this. I think what I'm gonna do, customize layout. Status. No, that's not what I want. Although I could move that up. That's fine. That's fine. I forgot how to add a new thing. Manage data sources now. Yeah, I forgot how to do that. Oh well. Oh well. Alright, so chat needs word wrap. Let's go player. Game message box. 2D view. Oh, that's the wrong one. Text chat. Text edit, that's fine. Channel label. Chat box. Chat history. So what this does is it will create a new chat message. Chat message. Here. Then the player name, blah, blah, blah. Message label. What I need to do here is turn on word wrap. Layout. Wait, what? Why is that so short? That shouldn't be that short. What's the layout on you? 0? Oh. 113, 276. So layout should be like 200 min. Then this guy will extendo patronum. And then 200. And then that should wrap. Yeah. Should wrap. We'll find out. Well, actually, I should be able to test it. I should be able to. Quite potentially. Host. Boom, bow, bow, bow. Test. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, it kind of does. But not really. Because the problem is the player name. If the player name's too long, then it can't really wrap too well. What I could do because ideally, how would we get it so that the label looks more like this? That would be cool. One of the first few characters. I could. But this, I think, is ideal for what I want. That kind of shape. Because with this word wrap, all it's going to do is it's going to go down this way, which doesn't look good. It needs to like jump to the next line. Have you looked into a lot of chat boxes from games? A couple of them. But usually what I see is it will start doing the line, and then it fills from down here and does it. So I'm trying to think of how that actually is done. Yeah, but I think that would be the play. Boom, boom, boom. Web dev is called inline, which means I probably don't want chat message to be an HBox. Inline. No. Or look at some labels. We have a rich text. No. Assign a new text. I don't think that's what I want. What if... Because the problem is the chat message is an HBox, and it shouldn't be. I wonder if I could get, like, if it's gonna word wrap, I add another label with the remaining text. Or I get the... When I get the text, I check the size of it, and then based on the size of the text, I can add other labels. That sounds janky though. Back to player. There's gotta be a way to like disable horizontal scroll, because I don't want that. I need a way to make a new line. Huh. No idea, actually. Let's undisable that for now. I'll have to look into that more. What up, Sakura? Real Cavino, indeed. Let's see. How are you? Tired. Very tired. But pretty good. We got a playtest build going. And now we just have a bajillion bugs to fix. Yes. Yes, yes. Did you say you're tired? Yeah, I'm exhausted, LT. I was up very, very late. Very late. Let's see. Chatting, feeling clunky. That's gonna make me more tired, LT. That's horrible. Okay. I thought you said fired. No. I am pretty fired up. That makes your blood flow? No. Not with the kind of tired I am, LT. No, no, no. Blizzard seems to have their chat box create a new line when typing, not really in line wrap. Shift enter in Word. Yeah, that's what it seems like. That's kind of what I was thinking of. Make it longer, make the limit for the name. You're overcomplicating it. Yeah, but the other problem is going, like we do that, but it needs to right, and then come down here and do it. Howdy, Sakura. Get line count. That might be it, Dottie. That could be an idea. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, man. Whew. Do this, do that. But also what Yuka's saying with making the chat box longer, I just don't think it's gonna look good, you know? Max character per line. Yes, we could. Never seen you walk so much, it's horrible. Awful. Is text wrapped? We do have wrapping on. Plug in. We're good. We're good. Who's rapping? I got my raps are cold and my beats are sick. Something like that. You've been yoinking rather than sleeping. No. Alright. Chatting feels clunky, plus sometimes doesn't work. We need the box. What if name and the message exist in the same label? That could work. Yoink wrap. I can't freestyle right now. My brain's not working. Box itself. I was here in the playtest. LT. Bam. There we go. Script. You're in the player text label. Bam. Squash those bugs, Real Cavino. I'm working on it. I also think chat box is too small. Your name and team is taking up like 60%. It is, yeah. That is very true. So we could make it longer. That's not a bad one. Boom. But I don't want to make it too long. That's the problem. You would just do something like message.text equals player name plus message. Yeah. That's how you would attach them together. Yeah. I'm just not sure. The main problem is I'm kind of stuck on having it go team name message blah 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 blah, and then it cuts down to here and does that. That's kind of what I'm envisioning. So we need the box to go like that, which means, wait a sec, why couldn't I just wait, yeah, well, why don't I just do a singular label with the team name and then just have word wrapping on it? Why do I need this H box and stuff? Oh, for text name, that's why. That's what I said. I see. The only problem is the team name color. I guess I could rich text label it. No, wait. Oh, actually, wait. I know what I can do. I can set a variable. There's no problem. You'll add it in the value of text as a string. Yeah. I just need to change the color, which means I need a rich text label instead. Yeah. So let me do chat message. And I need to do, instead of red, do R&B, that too. I know how to change color in Unity, but I don't know Godot, never done it. Well, I was doing the label settings. That's also why I had them on separate labels, is to do label settings, and then I just changed the color there. But I think the better idea is, I'll just delete this. I'll delete it. Before remaking text chat message making. There we go. Commit. Push. Why R&B when you can change the player name? This is what BB code's for? Yeah, that's why I'm thinking rich text label instead. I completely agree. So switch this to a rich text label. We're going to delete these. And then do this. We want to do minimum auto wrap though, and then let's set the layout minimum, and let's see if it does what I want it to do. Yeah, that's what we want. Beautiful. Cool. Okay, now we're cooking. So this needs to be a delete these. Boom. Then what I need to do is switch this back to a rich text label. Now, BB code, yeah. So now 100%, but also we want team chat versus all chat. Yes, we do have team and all chats. So what I'm thinking here, and that's also why I have that like label thing, so you can kind of see. Although, okay, we'll do it this way. So we will do BB code enable. Let's do underscore. I'm gonna delete the ready. Boom. And what I want to do is, for the set team color, I need to have text. Let's make it a function. Function set message void text equals, and we need to do BB code for this. So step one is going to be, yeah, text message. Thinking. I need to first, when we set team color, I'm gonna output a string. So let's delete this too. And I don't need any of that actually. Okay, so we're gonna do a func get team. It's gonna output a string. Yeah, it's gonna output a string. And what get team's gonna do is we're going to probably just match the team, and that will determine which color or which string colors we're gonna give out. So if I do match team global.team.red, then the string is going to be I think it goes font color equals, I don't remember how to do that. Who up yoinking? We're all yoinking here, Juju. We're all yoinking. Yoink every day, as they say. How do I do BB code? Font color. I think I need to give a hex code though. Let's look up a BB code. BB code cheat sheet. Bam. Hashtag yoinking. Yeah. Yeah. Color equals red. Oh, it's literally you just put the name. Or you could do by hex. Oh, you just do color equals. Oh. Oh. Color equals. I thought you needed font color. Is that real? There's no way that's real. Font color. Now you do. Oh, color equals. Never mind. Okay. Hold up. So we do color equals, then the color, font color. Wait, that's not. I look at the. Why does color look so weird? Okay. Color equals red. Oh, so you could do red, green, blue. Easy. So we will say color equals red. Yep. So we do color equals red. Then we do this, and we say red, and then we do color. Something like that. Can't wait for image equals 9. No. We're not doing that one. That's for sure. Global.team.blue. There we go. And then return. Same thing. I'm just gonna do this. Copy. Paste. Blue. And then we do it again. Global.team.all. Return. Color equals green. All color. Whew. That text color must be confusing when you type blue and it's yellow. Yeah, it is a little bit. And then this is just a return blank. There we go. There we go. Get team. So that's step 1 for the string. That gets the team. Yeah, and then all I have to do is in the ready, I just set the text. Bam. Bam. I realized that Astro Yoinkers kind of sucks. So I obtained 20 million subscribers on YouTube and told them to review bomb it once it comes out. Aw, thanks Game Devable, I appreciate it. Boom, boom. That's gonna be a lot of people checking out the game. I'm down with that. Astro Yoinkers might suck, but Astro Yoinkers doesn't. Got it. Hydrate. We do need to drink more water. That is true. I'm running low. I am running low. So I'm gonna do get team plus sending player, but I need a space. Sending player plus space plus text. And then func ready. Oh, that's not the ready. Ready, set message. Yeah. Yeah, I just changed player name color. Yeah, that could probably work too. That could probably work too. We'll see what it does first. Yeah. Yeah. Can I stop walking yet? No, unfortunately. Okay. Let's see if that works. Bam, bam, host, private. I have 200k points, so you better be nice to me. When am I not nice to you, Ika? That's the real question. Huh. Interesting. It didn't send the message. This is a test. Yeah, we're not getting the message part of it. But we're getting them, like, we can see that there's a message being sent. But we don't... It's also wrapping really hard. Why? Ah, that's why. Yeah, it should be working. Sending player plus text. Your name is Giant, that's why. It's on word wrap. Yes, it is, but it should be expanding. Because we have fit content, which, if true, the label's minimum size will be automatically updated so that it fits the contents. What is scroll active? If true, the scroll bar is visible. Oh, there's a scroll. I don't want that. Okay. Auto wrap. That just does the words. Didn't you change the text name to underscore text? Yeah, it is underscore text. Oh, wait a sec. I'm setting the... Hold up. I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna switch it to message instead. I know exactly what's happening. Is when I set that in here, and I am saying create message, message.message. There we go. That's why. Good catch. Good catch. Yeah. Yep. Now let's try it. That's why it wasn't, it was trying to set it to a variable that doesn't exist. Private. This is a test. Cool. I don't like... I need to like make the font size smaller, I think. I think there's a default. Yep, there is. Let's go to 12. Set that. I probably didn't need to close the game for that either. I need to stop walking. I am. Whew. Private. Test. Much better. Other test. Ah. Okay, so it doesn't... It's wrapping too hard too. Okay. So this guy needs to extend out. So custom minimum size is 200. I guess it needs to be longer than 200. It's looking better though. It is. It's getting there. Slow and steady. What is your 295? I see what's going on here. 250. There we go. Let me remove my thing. Boop. Boom, boom, boom. Go. Whoa. Man, feels so good to sit down. All right, I just need to bring the V-box a little down because you can see it's clipping through. Cool. That's better. Yeah, so now we just bring the V-box down a little bit. And then we're chilling. Actually, the scroll box. Yeah, because I extended it and I didn't, yeah. Do that. And really, I should manually do this. Like that. Like that. Yeah. And this guy, do it there. Cool. Lower than the arches. So like, are you saying to line it to here? Ah, that's fine. Gotcha. So I don't want to make it too small. Not too small. Oops. There we go. Yeah, that's the right way, but it's okay. Gotcha. Yeah. I think I'm shrinking or something. My desk is it's been feeling a little tall lately. Maybe I'm slouching, that's why. All right. Dang, he noticed. What have you been doing, Flashco? Turns off shrink ray. That would explain it. Changed to rich, or messages changed to rich text label. Shrink wrap modifier off. Whoa, I feel so tall now. I'm 6'12". Boom. Okay. That should be good. Bang. Oh, ow. All right. Sometimes doesn't work though. Is it me, or is he looking a little too normal? What do you mean, too normal? Must be OpenGL. What is this Twitch emote? I have no idea. What Twitch emote? I don't see any Twitch emote. Kavino normal? Nice joke. Yeah, you're right. Who wants to be normal? I'm cooler than normal. That's what it is. Switch. Okay. Wasn't a compliment. Take it however you want. I took it as a compliment. It was a compliment. Who would want to be normal? Ew. When you can be extraordinary, extraordinary. I'm joking. I knew that you were joking. All right, next one is the lobby names. Yeah, being normal sucks. Yeah. All right, so in the lobby browser label, what is it called? Turns on displacement modifier, PRB. Oh, my neck, dude. Oh, holy moly. It's not the lobby browser label. +1 for the petition. Petition? Petition for what? Oh, they broke. It's showing me all regex combos for the standard emotes. Oh. Lobby row, that's what it's called. Non-normie, I see. All right, so what's happening here is it does this. Now, I don't want to wrap it. How do I get it so that the text spins? That's the next question. Make it come alive. And what I'd like to do, you mean scroll? Yeah. But what I'd like it to do is say something like, so it'd be like Flash Co's lobby, and then it does the players, but it cuts off. And then when you hover over it, then it starts scrolling that way. And you'll see the rest of the text. Yeah, what up, Beyonce? What we building? We are working on the playtest stuff. We found a bunch of bugs in the playtest, so now we're crushing them and then doing it. Yeah. He's learning how to write. I am doing that as well. Let's see. How do we do that? Because auto wrap is just gonna make it go down. Are you the person who's doing the space game, the yoinking game? Indeed, Beyonce. Indeed. We are. We're working on Astro Yoinkers, the #1 yoinking game in the world. Let's see. Offset. I think what I'm gonna have to do is use the text string. No, he's making a PS1 style horror game. Don't be gross, Game Devable. Don't be gross. No. I wish he did. No. We aren't doing any PS1 style horror slops here. No. Gross. Okay. What I could do is where do I set the text? PS1's goated era of gaming. It was pretty good. It was okay. Okay, this is what I do. Join, no. This is it. On lobby match list. And then we create the row. We bind it with the lobby ID. And then we get the text mesh dot text. And we do it here. Okay. I see. How dare you? How dare I what? Okay. Meh. Yeah, I mean, it's meh. Meh. There's nothing wrong with meh. It's just meh. Text mesh. Row mesh. Which one's the row mesh? This guy? Yeah. Right? Yeah. And this is going to be row mesh. Like that. And the reason I have to do it this way is because we are instantiating. Export subgroup nodes. There we go. You're meh. Yeah, I know. I know. Woo. Okay. It's been established that he only likes new WoW graphics. No. I don't only like that. I like Dota graphics. I like the TF2 graphics. I like what's that game? Deadlock's graphics. There's a lot. It needs that Blizzard Sweatshop soullessness to it. No. Deadlock has some soul in their things. He likes graphics in a bad way. If you know, you know. I don't know. He likes flat color with no diffuse maps. No. I like diffuse maps, I think. I think those are... I don't know. Team indeed, LT. So when I do this, I think what I'm going to do instead is set variables. Set variables instead. And then on ready, I will do this. Yeah, so what I'm thinking about doing here is howdy Ika. The thought here is I'm gonna get the size of the string that we're given. So get the size of the string. Hi, okie dokie. And then what I'll do is when you hover over it, I will basically start wrapping the index of the string array. I think. Wow. How'd you guess my password? It's on screen. It's good. I'm out of water. I think that's what I'll do. That's my maiden name. JHG. It's quite the name with the K in there too. Yeah, I think that's what I gotta do. I think in the text mesh though, can I set. Oh, I can't. I thought I could set like a custom minimum. So how does it know when to wrap then? Node's bounding rectangle. Oh. It uses the bounding box. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, so if I do that, I all got the same name. Oh, CK. It's just like an Ika. That's true. Okay, so I need to get the bounding box and go from there. There's gotta be a better way to do it though. Right? I think there would be. We have ads coming up though, so I'm gonna check on the words real quick. I need more water desperately. Desperately. Heading to level 1. Lots of fun. And then when we come back, we're gonna lock in and see if we can fix this lobby row. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Yep. All right, I'll be right back real quick and then we will do it up. I've returned. What up, Cake? Jedum. Let's see here. Boom. There we are. Valid. 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 Oh, we already got valid. Invalid. There we go. Veil. Diva. Oh, of course, nice. I am a professional at the words. Inlaid. Laid. Dial. Oh, we already got dial. We passed anyways. All right, turn these words off. Boop. Okie doke. Complex stuff now. That's what we gotta do next. So, something tells me, yeah, we passed without your help, thank you. I got the big word, actually, so if it wasn't for me, you wouldn't have had the big word. Ugh, there we go. I feel like I'm doing this in a harder way than it needs to be. So what I'm looking at is I'm trying to think if there's like a way that I can make like a loopy circle thing and then just rotate that node. I don't know if there is though. Yeah, that probably wouldn't work. It's like we're making a conveyor belt. Make a conveyor belt. What are you doing? So what I want to do, step bro. What I'm trying to do is take these words. When you hover over it, I want them to start scrolling like that way. So if it says Ika's lobby players 2, and let's say that it cuts off like here, when you hover over it, it should start scrolling. Wrap, yeah. But we can't do a wrap mode because it doesn't work that way. Because it will change the height. So we need a better way. Then lerp alignment from left to right. What do you mean? I think what I actually have to do is this is the complex way, at least. I take the string count and then I wrap the index of that string array. So if it's bigger than the bounding box, then I just keep wrapping that. And it basically will just keep deleting and adding letters like that. So it looks like it's moving. So I delete the first one and then bring it to the back. Delete the first one, bring it to the back, and keep doing that. Won't look good. Will be snappy. I think it might be, yeah. I mean, unless you do it super quick. If you do it super quick, then it'll look like it's moving. Have you caught the main bugs? Quite a few of them, yeah. Yeah, quite a few of them. I'm just trying to handle the rest of them that we got. So then that way, when I push the new update, we'll be chilling. I'm not sure. Text mesh. I need to set the bounding box as well, actually. Let me go here. That. What is my bounding box size right now, though? So I want to set the custom. Where do I see the bounding box size? What? I don't know what size this is. Same CSLR, same. Looking forward to trying the gameplay? Absolutely. Absolutely. The sorting. Making my own gizmo system because Godot doesn't have one, and all the plugins for it kind of suck. Oh, I see. I see. I guess I'll just we'll move on to something else for now. Move on to something else. My brain is not braining. This one, when loading into the lobby, sometimes players don't see the transition screen. So, Ika, are you still here? Because I know this happened to you. I just don't know what happened exactly. Yes, baby. Dear God. Did you get a loading screen when this happened? Like, did you see the loading bar up here? So I'm trying to figure out what caused this. No, players spawned in the list of lobbies. Oh, and you didn't see a loading screen at all. Not at all. And you pressed join, right? Sounds like you got a AAA quality game. We do, CSLR. We do indeed. We do indeed. Yeah, then I clicked on the lobby name. Okay. Let's see if I can fix that. CSLR, we also have a playtest, by the way. GTA VI 6, 7, 8, 9. Kind of dealing with my own issues. Your own issues, same. Let's see. Add member. Trying to find. I gotta find where we changed the map. Gizmo plugin because Godot sucks, and I couldn't find the plugin that was good. I don't know. What does this Gizmo plugin do? Start host. Join host. Join lobby. On lobby joined. Then it changes the map. Makes a gizmo. It's not very descriptive. What do you mean makes a gizmo? Huh. I wonder if it was the awaiting local player synced that broke. That's a tough one. Wait, local player synced. I guess I just have to see if I can recreate that, I guess. Bam, push. Yeah. Minute here. It's the lobby name. Seems like it was just like a loading issue of some sort. I was up for a sec. Did you say anything? No, I didn't. I was just thinking. And my brain's not doing much thinking. Let's see. Change map. Go to the, because you should have got a loading screen. Load map for child map as a node. In map node get children. We queue free it. If there's a scene. Then we make a new one. Instantiate, add it. If it's a map, we add it. Set process, then false. Then on here, when we load a map, we start the threaded loaded request. Huh. Keyword should have. Yes, should have, quite indubitably. Let's see. Not gonna lie, my brain is actually so fried today. Like, I am thoroughly debating on ending stream early. It's that fried. All right, let's see if I can find an easier task though. Can't press escape in lobby. Why don't you just play a game? I don't think I could even handle that right now. I haven't done that in a while. I was debating on gaming a bit today, but honestly, I don't even think I could. I don't even think I could. End stream and I'll end you. Or Netflix subscription. I don't have one. Joke's on you. Ha ha ha. Let's push these changes, I guess. Yeah, we'll push these 4 changes and I'll increase your mortgage. I don't got one of those either. Yeah, I'm gonna push the changes to Steam, update that, and we'll see what we're rocking with. So what I need to do here is delete all that. Go here, project, export, Windows, export, save. So they don't fit you anymore. Oh, don't do that now. All right. Next one. Boom. Close. Save. Open. Highlight all. Right click. Compress. Zippity doo dah. And then all I gotta do, rename it. Put it up on Steam. Send it. And then the update should go live. Are you gonna fix all the bugs before you release another version? I don't know. I mean, I'm releasing this one right now. How many playtest keys do you get? Like, I have 400. Yeah, I have 400. So quite a few. All right, so I go web uploads. Let me move you guys over here. Can I get a second one? I want to try the game with a friend? Sure. 1 sec. Choose file. Open. Upload.